This video will demonstrate how to replace the pedals on your Le Mans indoor cycle. To begin, you will need to have a pedal wrench or a thin wrench. Most indoor cycles require a 9/16 or 15 mm wrench depending on your model. Some combination wrenches are too wide and will lodge between the pedal and crank arm. We will be using a pedal wrench available at Sportsmith.com. Lock out the brake mechanism or have someone help you by holding the opposite crank arm while loosening the pedal. The user's left side pedal has reverse threads. You will need to spin it clockwise for removal. The user's right side has standard threads. Spin it counterclockwise for removal. Once you have removed the pedals, clean the crank arms and inspect the threads. If the threads are damaged, replace the crank arm. Install the pedals by hand first, then tighten with a wrench. The user's left side has reverse threads. You will need to spin it counterclockwise for installation. This completes the demonstration. Watch our channel on YouTube or like us on Facebook. Thanks for your support during our 20+ years in the business.